Our business concept today is evolving from a product-based concept to a multi-system-based concept. We're trying to integrate solutions for a specific project and market needs, and that's what we have been trying to put in perspective here in our stand. So we want to become a Hydronic partner, and we are incorporating, apart from our technologies in fan coil units, terminal hydronics, we're also adding systems like heat pumps to complete more the system concept of what we want to promote worldwide.
It's not just about products. We want to be somebody that you can come and discuss anything with your projects, with your hydronic applications.
These shows are actually super important for the industry in general. It's a wonderful opportunity to bring everyone together, and these shows are for that.
The high wall that we've been looking for has arrived. This is a prototype. It's metal, can go up to 3 tons. You can tailor it, you can paint it in different colors. It can be ordered with different functions.
Up to 10 kilowatt, perfect for the data centers especially.
We are this time introducing heat pumps. It can reach minus 25 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees outlet water temperature, and it's full inverter, so it can model it from 30 to 100% of the nominal capacity. The hydraulic model, where you have included a 200 liters domestic hot water tank, domestic hot water pump for that, and 2 expansion tanks, one for the space cooling and heating circuit, and the other one for the domestic hot water circuit.
Our new console unit has a very cool characteristic that we just simply have to remove 2 screws out of it, and the casing will pop out easily. That's very good for maintenance purposes and installation purposes as well. And the other cool feature is the filter. It has a very easy access to do, so you just have to take it off a little bit and then pop it up, and it will be as easy as that to clean and maintain the filter. We want to become a partner for designers of hydronic projects, ease the access to these products in order for us to be able to provide the right solution to that specific project need that you have.